Welcome, guys. It's KOK Gift Baskets and more. Just coming to you with some of my final Easter concepts. These are some gifts that I'm putting together for some little babies. And I use these little knit baskets that I got from the bin store. So I use those as my containers. I had some little bunny trim that I got a couple of years ago from Dollar General. I just cut it and add the little bunnies to the front of the baskets. And the beautiful little bunnies are FAO Schwarz bunnies I got off of Whatnot. And I just put some cloth carrots in the front. I use my tag gun to put the little paws together, and that's holding the carrot in. And then on the back side, I put one toy in each basket. This one is a story adventure book. I put some little kids' applesauce, some juice, animal crackers. And in this one, I used a Fisher-Price little cassette player for this one and the same snacks. It's a complete mess here. It's organized. I say organized chaos. Okay, I have gifts here. I just finished my little bog bags here. Some have Squishmallows. Some have some little plush animals Dollar General had on sale a couple of years ago after Easter sale. This is some of my candy put in my snack bags. Here's my other room with all my other concepts. This is not all of them either, guys. I just filled up my little round table. My buffet is full. The floor is full. This is a room we don't really use. And so I make good use of it during the holiday season. I also have some gifts in my spare bedroom as well. So I am ready to go. I am going to, after I do my snack bags, I'm going to get my list of all the things I'm going to need when I go out to Bend, and I am on schedule. A lot of the stuff I'm putting in my little boxes and just putting on the outside what's on the inside. So once we slide it on the truck, if I need to pull something quickly, because a lot of times I have customers as soon as we pull up. And instead of going through boxes, sorting, I can go straight to it without opening the box to find what I may be looking for. Okay. Let me show you some of these. I was going to do a video on these and didn't. And I put just a few little snacks on the back. Not many snacks. So like I said, some I use the Squishmallows. The ones for the girls have a little jewelry container at the top. I didn't realize I had that many jewelry containers. These pretty little jewelry boxes came off of Whatnot. Got some really beautiful little costume jewelry for little girls. And I put that little box up there at the top of each one of the girls. I also used the Peeps nails, the little press-on nails. I got those last year from Dollar General after Easter sale. So I have the nails in the girls' concepts also. But they came out really, really nice. This is one of the baskets with the little Peeps, little light. You can sit it on a desk or a nightstand. It's battery operated. And so you have lights on that one. And I think I was only able to find 2 of those at the Dollar General sale last year after Easter. I was only able to find 2 of those little lamps. And they are just cute. Okay, guys. Well, I just wanted to share that with you. I know a lot of you guys are winding down and getting ready to... some of you are already out vending. I'm glad I'm not out vending yet because I need a couple of days to just take a deep breath and relax and get ready to kick it into high gear. So I'm going to go ahead. These are my last 2 items I'm wrapping. But I have a lot of infant gifts and a lot of toddler gifts. Last year I didn't have that. And I turned away a lot of potential money. So this year I am ready. I have my adult baskets ready. And let me see if I can get to one and show you. Okay, here is one. And this one is just a flower arrangement. It's in one of those little Dollar Tree containers, round containers. And I have an orange flocked bunny in there and put some flowers, some orange daisies and multicolored roses, and put an orange ribbon on top. And let's see, I think I have another style adult gift. I'm going to show you. I'm getting all these boxes shut and ready, guys. All right. So this one here is, those Love metallic roses, guys, that I had for Valentine's Day. So the ones I had left, I'm using them with the little flocked bunny. And I have a box of pot of gold chocolates in the back. So I'm going to have these out as well for my options for my adult gifts. And this one is the little purple flocked bunny. This metallic rose looks like a blue. And I have a pot of gold in there in the back. And I have some more of this concept because it was so easy to put together with the bag. So that's the reason I went with that. Because at first I said, I'm just not going to do any adult concepts. And I said, okay, let me think of something I can put together so that I can at least have something available. Because I know what they asked for. And this will be an option for them if they want it. Guys, I want to show you these too. I found these cute little drinks, smoothie drinks for little kids. And they happen to be Paw Patrol. And I thought they were so cute. So I went ahead and got some because I have a lot of Paw Patrol gifts. So I got some of those. I also saw a lot of Marvel. I think they were some kind of fruit snacks. You all have probably seen those because I do have the Spider-Man fruit snacks. But they have a lot of character stuff too. And I really don't advise getting them if you're trying to save money. But if you find that they're inexpensive or a good sale, because I think I got, how many of these? It was 12 of these. They're called the Animal Smoothie. And I think they were $5, guys, when I got these 12. So I said, hey, that's a good deal for those. I got Juicy Juices. I have a lot of the Airheads. I got a ton of those. Everybody's going to get one of those. I got a lot of them. And I got I got a couple of containers of these juices, 32 boxes. I got some of these little Skittle drinks for the bigger kids. A lot of cotton candy and Airheads and other stuff. I got so many snacks. I think I got too many snacks. Y'all know a lot of snacks we got for a good deal at Dollar General. So I loaded up on those. Then we got a lot of the good snacks from Dollar Tree. I loaded up on those. And then I went ahead and bought a few other things like the Cheez-Its, the Lay's variety pack of chips, the Lay's variety pack of the cheese, salty snacks, just a lot of stuff. But everybody's going to have some snacks if that's what they choose. And if I have any left, my grandkids would love them. You hear me? I won't have no problem getting rid of none of this leftover snacks, okay? I got a lot of teenage grandsons too, and they can eat, baby. They can eat. Okay, guys, well, I'm going to let you guys go. And don't work too hard. I'll see you again when I'm out vending and get everything set up. All right, guys? I love you. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.